So many people think that resting is just about sleeping or just stopping the work that they're doing. And lately for me, life in Kingston has been really hectic. Sometimes I feel like I need to hit the reset button, and not by escaping, but by just finding actual peace. And I realized that there are two ways to do it. So my good friend David invited me to Thatch Hill, which is about 45 minutes from the Ochi town, and even though I went with my friend, a lot of the time I spent on this trip was alone.
We're here at Thatch Hill River Park. There's a lot of people here still because it's a holiday, but still going to a swing, and just see what's on. Let's see what the day has to offer. Let's see what the vibes has to offer. We're here with David and some of his friends. Active. Go get some drone shots before I go to swim, and then once I go in the water, I'll link you guys back.
Zika.
But yeah, man, this place is actually pretty tough still. I mean, you cannot beat Jamaican beauty, bro. There's just something about this little island that is incomparable to anywhere else in the world. Between the culture, the people, the spots, the weather, like it's just, everything that encompasses it just makes it such an amazing place to be.
And to me, it's important to have friendships where even if you're out together or if you're around each other, you guys are able to be yourself and be alone.
Hey, hola, mi amigos.
Hola.
Bienvenido a. Bienvenido a la par. Soy el F de Río. Nosotros vamos a divertido. Bueno.
I don't know what he said, but guys, I really want to learn Spanish still. My next trip is going to be Colombia. I've been avoiding traveling. I've been delaying it because normally in like the Easter time, Carnival time, I would normally fly out to Florida, and I say, yo, you know I'm gonna go wallet this time. And I'm going to Colombia in August with Rashane and Dom. So basically Toronto part 2. We need to do a Portland trip. Have to do a Portland trip at some point in time. The aesthetics of the place are really nice, and it's good for big groups, small groups, large groups, like a lot of space. I don't get
So many times we try to fill the silence or the void with noise or talking or conversation. But for me, there's just something really valuable about being alone with your thoughts. And it's one thing to find peace by yourself, but there's a different power in creating memories with your people.
Today we're here in Portmore, the beautiful Sunshine City, with a shovel. Me and Beans were out last night, and he was like, yo, we're gonna dig a hole. I'm like, oh, okay, whatever that means. I'm assuming we're going to Hellshaw, getting some of those, you know, the little plastic bucket them, dig 2 little hole, build a little sandcastle. But no, we're at some random part, to be honest, way further than Hellshaw, and we're going to dig a little circular hole and make a little bonfire and hold a little vibe, you know. So that's the plan right now. The sand is super soft, but I've realized is a lot of the manufactured sand is a lot more coarse, and because it's coarse, it just doesn't feel as nice, it doesn't feel as real, you see me? But this, see that? See that?
We came here with one mission and one mission only, and that was to build this bonfire.
We're here by the beach still. Have some of the man them out there surfing and snorkeling. And then over here, they're going to try and dig a little bonfire situation. So we're gonna check on the progress. Oh, I'm actually get fire still. So yo, the fire go in, yes sir?
Fire? Yes, sir.
And then where I go sit?
Foot. Yeah. See it.
Oh, the foot there on your son, the fire then. Boom, believe. Believe.
Don't go deep, you know, just go around, Alex. Man, you mash it up. Oh. Yo, look at foot. You see that? That's not enough ramp in a big bowl. Don't
And it's not even just about getting the fire lit or just the bonfire itself, but we literally spent like 2 hours, 3 hours trying to build out this bonfire and trying to get it to be in the shape exactly how we wanted it to be. And in the meanwhile, everybody was just kind of doing their own thing, enjoying the atmosphere, enjoying the space, and just being around each other.
So we're doing a fire pit bonfire situation over here. Moon is up there setting, you see me? Actually, super calm sat there still. I didn't expect to be doing this today. Even though the plan was made from yesterday, it just kind of slipped my mind and say, yo, this is actually what we're going to do. I hope the microphone isn't too bad because of the wind, but yeah, I hope you guys have been enjoying these vlogs still. I definitely want to show more and I've been showing more. Beanzo.
Welcome to the birthday party.
Onana go see me outside unless him say
Believe.
you see me? It's actually a very calm Saturday still. A good little way to reset, good little way for like relax your brain and just unwind and just build, especially when you're around good people and you have good company around you. There's nothing that can just stop that energy, you get me? The week has been good though. My week has been pretty good. Work has been going fine. Life has been going fine. And the only thing I can do is be grateful and to thank God, to be honest, because if it wasn't for God, then none of this would be possible. And this is not necessarily just about where I am, but being alive, being healthy, being able to do anything that I want to do. I'm just super grateful for it. I'm super grateful for the people around me. I'm super grateful for my family. I'm super grateful for the opportunities that life has provided for me and everything in between. So trust me, if you don't put God first, you're going to stray. You see me? God is the only person lighting my path right now. Sometimes I'm confused and sometimes I wonder, like, why would you do this to me right now? Like, why would I make this happen? Only to realize maybe a couple weeks later, a couple months later that there's a reason for everything. Everything happens for a reason and you have to go through these experiences and live life fully as your life. Nobody else can live your life for you, get me? So just be grateful for what you have, everything, both small and big. If you're watching this video right now, that's something to be grateful for. You have internet connectivity, you have a device where you can watch YouTube and whatever the case is. All of that is a blessing, and I feel like a lot of the times we forget to realize that the simple things in our life are actually the blessings in our life, and that's something that's so easy to forget. So I'm just here to remind you guys to take a moment, build, and think about the things that you're grateful for, whatever that is, you see me? And love always.
Sometimes all you need is a far enough away location, good people, and good vibes. And to be honest, what better time to look back and reflect than around the time that you were born?
Alright, let's get a progress update. There's no sun anymore. No such thing as sun. I hope the breeze isn't too crazy for you guys. We get more shovel, more action. Building up the bonfire now. Active.
We dig the holes so the fire in the hole, so it's under the breeze and not in the breeze.
Interesting.
So the base of the flame, we steal it at all times.
That is it. Just nobody know about us, sit down over there, sir. Nobody know about us, sit down over there, sir. Alright, so I know you guys can't really see right now, but as you can see, they have done it. We've gotten to the bonfire part of the bonfire. The guys spent like an hour and a half just digging, making sure that we could get to this point, getting the firewood, building it out. And now here we are. Yo, Alex. Yeah, non for set to the vlog, them can kinda see it still, but see the mic yourself.
Boy, bro, right now, them say we couldn't do it, they never have no faith in the world, you know, but them never believe or look power, you know. What them say? What the verse go? 2 Corinthians 5 verse 7. By faith and not by sight. What can believe, guys?
By faith and not by sight. Good morning. Somehow this feels spiritual still, in a good way, you know. Feel like it's cool that we're all here as friends, close friends, distant friends. Some of these niggas I met today, but either way, like, we're all happy to be here having a good time. Happy birthday, Beans! Big up yourself in my dad.
Literally at this point, we all just kind of stood around and sat around the fire, just reflecting, chit-chatting, just being present with each other. And I know that some of us were in our own heads or in our own thoughts, but we were doing it together. So if you're feeling burnt out, maybe the answer isn't just one thing. Maybe you need some solitude or some time to just hear yourself think. Or maybe you need to be around your little community to remind you that you're not alone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys next time.